Do you live in any of these highlighted areas? This green one, this yellow one, or this orange one? If you do, you need to be staying weather aware today, as a few severe storms will be a possibility. Let's talk about it some more. So the green you see here, this is a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk. And then the yellow that you see here is a level 2 out of 5 slight risk. And the orange that you see is a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk. This outlook is from the Storm Prediction Center. So according to the SPC, we do have a potential to see severe weather if you live in any of these highlight areas. And you see this light green spot right here, that's just for normal thunderstorms. That's that general risk, but some severe storms will be a possibility to develop today. The main tornado risk will be in this green highlight area. Tornado risk is not that high, but I say a tornado or two can occur in one of these areas today. Severe winds is going to be the main threat, as well as hail. As you can see here, we can see some severe winds out here once these storms do occur. You can see that we got a 30% wind risk here, and you might see this hatching right here. That's the wind conditional intensity group 1. So if wind does occur in here, it could be pretty strong winds. And then here's the main places for hail. If a hail occurs in here, you see the colors are the different probabilities, but the hatching that you see here is going to be, if it does occur, it could be pretty big. Not saying every hail is going to be big, but some could. While this is all happening, we're going to have snow happen in parts of the northeast, while we have some severe weather trying to develop over here. We're going to have a cold front push through, and after these storms push through, it could get pretty cold. This is what it could look like right here at 5 p.m. We'll have some of these storms start to initiate across parts of Pennsylvania and New York, and eventually entering the risk area, and the marginal risk where a few severe storms will be a possibility. Then we're going to have this line of storms move through. So this is what it looks like at 10 p.m. Eastern. And then they'll continue moving south. The reason all this is happening is because we're having moisture being pulled up from the Gulf. And then the cold front is eventually going to push all this moisture away. We don't have that much CAPE out there, as you can see right here, which stands for Consecutive Available Potential Energy. Now CAPE, just think of it as storm fuel and stuff for like tornadoes and stuff. So it doesn't seem like we're going to have too much CAPE out there. We're going to have some stuff though, ingredients for potential tornadoes, but tornadoes are not going to be the concern, so don't worry about that. Just keep it in mind. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty nice before these storms get here, so have fun in the sun before they get here. Make sure you're staying prepared and staying tuned to the forecasts, and be aware for watches and possible warnings later on. This is Electric Tornado Severe Weather Center. Make sure to stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.